नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वेलकम टू PYQ सीरीज। अब हम देखेंगे पिछले 5 साल में इस टॉपिक पर कौन सा क्वेश्चंस पूछा गए। ठीक है बेटा, राइट? शैल वी स्टार्ट? राइट, लेट्स स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट वन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अमाइन्स विल गिव द कार्बालेमिन टेस्ट? So what is the first of all carbalamin test? Primary amines, only primary amines when treated with chloroform in the presence of alkali like NaOH or KOH will give rotten egg smell isocyanates, means very bad smell isocyanates. Okay, which amines will form very bad smell isocyanates? Only primary amines. Okay, so what is the answer now? The answer is A. The answer is A, only primary amines will give this carbalamin test. Okay, right, answer is A. Answer is A. Answer is A. Okay, the next one. The correct order of the basic strength of the methyl substituted amines in aqueous solution is, it is exceptional case, we have to remember this. So how to remember? I'll tell you now. Okay beta, look at here. So here basic strength, it is directly proportional to inductive effect, and also basic strength in aqueous solution, it is also directly proportional to number of hydrogen bonds. More the number of hydrogen bonds, more will be the basic strength. Okay? So in aqueous medium, what we have to consider? Inductive effect or hydrogen bonding? What we have to consider? We have to consider both. That is why it is exceptional case. That is why if you consider only inductive effect, the order will be tertiary amines are more basic, and then secondary, and then primary. If you consider only hydrogen bonding, then what is the order? Primary amines are more basic, and then secondary, and then tertiary. But in aqueous solution, both are present. So we have to consider both. We have to consider the net effect. So that is why it is exceptional case. So according to experiment, which is what is the order of basicity? Secondary amines are more basic. Secondary amines are more basic than primary amines, and then tertiary amines. When if the alkyl group is methyl group, then the order will be secondary, primary, and tertiary. Right? So how to remember this? Look at here. I'll tell you now. 2 plus 1 guy, 3. So CH, 3. 3 to 2 plus 1. If it is C2H5, if R is C2H5. So how to remember this now? Look at there. If it is C2H5, again the order is secondary or more basic always. Secondary or more basic. And then tertiary. And then primary. Look at here. 2 plus 3, okay? 5. So this is how we can remember this for a long time. Okay, so 2 plus 1, 3, CH3. If it is CH3, order is secondary, primary, tertiary. If it is C2H5, if it is ethyl, then order is secondary and tertiary, and then primary. Okay, so always remember secondary are always more basic in aqueous solution. If gas phase medium is given, then basicity is directly proportional to only inductive effect. Only inductive effect. Okay, so if it is aqueous solution, if it is aqueous medium, then the order will be tertiary, and then secondary, and then primary. Okay, but what is given? Aqueous solution. So answer is this one. Secondary. Primary is secondary, tertiary. There is only one option. So answer is B. Answer is B. Okay, right. The next one, the amine that reacts with Hinsberg reagent to give an alkali insoluble product is. The amine that reacts with Hinsberg reagent. What is Hinsberg reagent? Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride, when treated with amines, primary amines, will give one product. What is that product? We will see now. Look at here. So if you take primary amines, RNH2, when it's treated with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. Okay, what it will form? Remove simply this HCl, you will get RNH, yes, double bond O, sorry, it is double bond O, and it is benzene, right? So look at it, there is acidic proton, right? This hydrogen is acidic in nature, so it will be soluble in alkali. If you add one alkali like NaOH, if you add NaOH, it is this compound is dissolved in alkali. ठीक है, but what is given here? Insoluble दिया. ये क्या दिया? Insoluble दिया. But ये क्या इधर के हाइड्रोजन नहीं होना चाहिए, हाइड्रोजन नहीं होना चाहिए. So instead of this hydrogen, some any R group होना चाहिए, any other alkyl group होना चाहिए. So what is this? Instead of this hydrogen, there must be R. Then only that is insoluble in alkali. ठीक है बेटा, right? So what is the answer? Secondary amines. Secondary amines. इसमें से find out the secondary amines here. Secondary amine, no, NH. It is secondary amine, right? Only secondary amines. The products of secondary amines are insoluble in alkali. So answer is A. Answer is A. Tertiary amines. These tertiary amines do not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. And ये क्या है? Primary amines. They are soluble in alkali. Here also primary amines. They are soluble in alkali. Okay, beta? Right. Answer is A. Only secondary amines. The products of the secondary amines are insoluble in alkali. Insoluble in alkali. Next one. Nitration of aniline in strong acidic medium also gives meta-nitroaniline, because what is given here? Nitrobenzene. Sorry. Aniline. Aniline when treated with concentrated HNO3 and H2S, means nitration it is. Nitration. So NO2 plus current, right? Electrophile NO2 plus. It is strongly activator. This strongly activator will bring the incoming electrophile to ortho position and para position. But what is given here? Nitration of aniline in strong acidic medium. In strong acidic medium, medium also gives meta-nitroaniline. It gives meta product also. What is the reason for this? So in what happens? In strong acidic medium, the NH2 group, this NH2 group gets protonated. So it will form NH3 plus. It will form NH3 plus. NH3 plus is strongly deactivator. So this deactivator will bring the incoming electrophile to meta position. So that is the answer. What it will form? It will form anilinium ion. It will form anilinium ion. Look at here. What is the answer? In acidic or strong acidic medium, aniline is present as anilinium ion. That is why it will form meta product. It will form significant amount of meta product. So answer is D. Answer is D. Okay, beta? Right. Next one. The correct increasing order of basic strength for the following compounds is basic strength, basicity is directly proportional to positive electron donating groups, inversely proportional to electron withdrawing groups. So based on this, solve this one. What is this NO2? It is electron withdrawing group. ठीक है. What is this? It is electron donating group. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं, so net effect 0 इसमें. ठीक है. So here 0 effect, electron withdrawing group, electron donating group. So what is the order of basicity now? So इसके सबसे ज़्यादा basicity 3 होगा, right? बाद में 1 and then 2 and then 2. So 2 is least. There is only one option. There is A, right? Sorry. सबसे ज़्यादा 3 है ना? There is only one option 3. 3 सबसे ज़्यादा, बाद में 1, बाद में 2. This is the answer. Okay, right. Next one. Which of the following reactions is appropriate for converting acetamide to methenamide? Acetamide. What is acetamide? CH3, C double bond O, NH2. It is acetamide. So asking which of the following will convert this acetamide to methenamine? CH3 NH2. CH3 NH2. So what we have to use here? A very important named reaction it is. Very important named reaction. What is that? It is a Hofmann degradation. Hofmann degradation reaction. So अब क्या करना? इसको remove करना. So which reagent will remove this CO? So only one reaction, that is Hofmann hypobromide reaction, or simply Hofmann bromamide reaction, or Hofmann degradation reaction. There are 3 names for this. One is Hofmann degradation, Hofmann bromamide degradation, Another one is Huffman hypobromide reaction. Okay, so this is the only one reagent which convert this amide to amines. Okay, look at here. Stephen's reaction, guy. What is Stephen's reaction? Aldehydes. Aldehydes are prepared. No, cyanides are converted to aldehydes in the presence of SnCl to HCl. Right. The next one, Gabriel thalamide synthesis. It will form amines, but amines are formed from thalamide. Thalamide. Okay, carbolamine test. Already we have seen this reaction. Primary amines, when treated with chloroform, will give isocyanates. Okay, so answer is A. Next one, the correct statement regarding the basicity of aryl amines is which are more basic here. Look at here. Basicity, if you take aryl amines, NH2, okay, aryl amine, and if you take alkyl amines are NH2, which are more basic here, the basicity is inversely proportional to resonance, right? So more the resonance, less the basic. Okay, abhi this lone pair, it is involved in conjugation. So aryl amines are less basic than alkyl amines, where in alkyl amines there is no resonance. Okay, so due to resonance, these aryl amines are less basic. So what is the answer now? Look at it. Aryl amines are generally more basic. Correct hai kya? Wrong hai. Aryl amines are generally more basic. Ye bhi wrong hai. Aryl amines are less basic than alkyl amines because the nitrogen lone pair, the nitrogen lone pair electrons are delocalized by interaction with the aromatic ring by pi electron system. It is involved in conjugation. It is in delocalization is nothing but conjugation or resonance. Okay, so the answer is C. Answer is C. Okay, right. The next one, a given nitrogen containing aromatic compound A reacts with Sn in the presence of acid, followed by HNO2 to give an unstable compound B. B on treatment with phenol will form a beautiful colored compound C with a molecular formula, that one. Okay, so what is this reaction? Sn in the presence of HCl followed by HNO2. HNO2, it is a diazotization reagent. No? It is a diazotization reagent. So look at here. So for some compound A, when it is treated with Sn in the presence of HCl, will give nitrogen containing compound, right? Nitrogen containing compound, that is NH2. Okay, and HNO2, when it is treated with HNO2, it will form Rn2 plus Rn2 plus Cl minus, okay, diazonium salt, and it gives, it is unstable compound. Okay, and this unstable compound, that when it reacts with phenol, will give a beautiful colored compound. So it is undergoing coupling reaction. So which compounds will undergo coupling reaction? Only benzene diazonium chlorides will undergo coupling reaction. So okay, this is benzene diazonium chloride. It is aniline. If it is aniline, what is this? What is this one? So it is essential, Sn in the presence of acid. It is a reducing agent. So reduction, right? So backward reaction, guy, oxidation. So okay, this is nitrobenzene. This is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene, when treated with Sn in the presence of acid, will give RNH2, aniline. This one, aniline will form. Aniline, when treated with HNO2, will form diazonium salt, and this diazonium salt, when treated with phenol, will form orange dye. Will form orange dye. That is very beautiful colored compound. Okay, so answer is B. Answer is B. Okay, next one. Method by which aniline cannot be prepared is, aniline cannot be prepared. So in which reaction aromatic compounds cannot be prepared? There is only one reaction, that is this one, potassium salt of thalamide treated with aqueous NaOH solution. It is Gabriel thalamide synthesis. It is Gabriel thalamide synthesis. In Gabriel thalamide synthesis, we cannot prepare this aniline. This aniline. Okay, because haloarenes will not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Look at here. This is thalamide, C double bond O N. See, double bond O, NH, right? NH. If we add base, the base will remove this H place, negative charge will come here, right? This is the nucleophile. That nucleophile will react with alkyl halide. If we take aryl halide, if you take aryl halide, what happens now? It cannot react here because it is connected to sp2 carbon atom, so it will not react with each other. Okay, so that will not form any product. इसलिए aromatic amines cannot be prepared. Aromatic amines cannot be prepared in this in this Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Okay, so first one, degradation of benzamide. Degradation of benzamide will give aniline, no? Right? It will form. Reduction of nitrobenzene. Again, it is reduction will give aniline. And the last one, hydrolysis of phenyl isocyanate. Isocyanates again will give aniline. Okay, so all will give aniline except C. Except C. Answer is C. Okay, right. Right. Thank you very much. So in the last 5 years, they have mainly focused on named reactions. One is Hoffman degradation reaction. The other one is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, and also some chemical properties of benzene diazine chloride, and also some distinguishing tests like benzene sulfonyl chloride, and other one is carbalamine test. Okay. So these are the very important reactions, and they have mainly focused on these important reactions only. Okay, beta, right? Thank you very much.